Hey, it's Paul Spaulding here, Berkshire Hathaway, the Spaulding Team. It is June 20th, 2019. Let's see what's going on in the greater Las Vegas real estate market today. Okay, it looks like the lowest priced is a little condo. 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1-car garage, built in 92. Okay, over on Torrey Pines. It's a nice little place. Interesting. One story. Torrey Pines, and there's Jones there, so Vegas Drive. Okay, cool. Alright, then we go to highest priced is Arbor Forest, $659, single family home, 3,600 square feet. Nice house. Shows well. Where is it located? Summerlin. Okay. Good deal. Then yesterday, a little one-story. That's out of the area. Let's go into this 3-story condo, 500 square feet. Update a little bit. Crazy floor. 1-bedroom, 1-bath over on University. It's gotta be near the University District, right next to the UNLV. Is the highest priced one over on St. Croix, $6.25 million, 14,000 square, almost 14,500 square feet, 7 bedrooms, 9 baths, 4-car garage, pool and spa. That's obnoxious. Wow, those shots, man. The strip, that is just incredible. 14,500 square feet of house. Just because they can, I guess, huh? It's over in McDonald's Highlands. Not there. Okay, so we have 626 in escrow. 411 closed in the last few days. Nothing has been reported today. So this is a little townhome, 566 square feet. Oh, nice little place. very little. 79,000. Boulder Highway and Pabco. Right there. Okay. Then we go to, wow, a lot of closings yesterday. 980,000. We're on High Ridge. Nice backyard. Nice curb appeal. Staircase loft. Lake Mead and Hill Point. Okay, over in Summerlin area. Okay. Alright, well that's it for that. Still a little searchy here for recent properties going under contract with the pools. Alright, well, 54 in the last few days. Keeps 40 to 60 every day. So I guess that's it for now. I will talk to you soon. Bye.